So this question looks like it's going to be a system of equations question. Usually for system of equations questions, I'm looking at using elimination as a process to solve or substitution. Less likely substitution, but sometimes it does happen. The question here says the solution to the given system of equations is x comma y. Yes, we understand that. What is the value of x plus 2y? All right, so in essence, I could find the value of x, I could find the value of y. I throw both of those into this expression here, and I'd find the value that represents my answer. So let's do that. I'm going to rewrite my system of equations, 3x plus 4y equals 35, and 2x plus 2y equals 15. Oh, wait, so I noticed something here that's going to save me a ton of time. I noticed here that if I were to simply subtract the bottom equation from the top equation, right, I would get, this becomes negative, negative, negative. I would end up getting 3x minus 2x is x, 4y minus 2y is 2y, and 35 minus 15 is 20. And there's my answer, right? The question asked for x plus 2y. There is x plus 2y. X plus 2y equals 20. So your answer here is 20. No need to even do the traditional elimination process. If you'd like me, in fact, I'll just do it really quickly. So let me show you what that other process would be. If you like the way I did it here, feel free to move on to another video. But if you wanted to do it a more traditional way, you could say, I have 3x plus 4y equals 35, and I have 2x plus 2y equals 15, and I want to do elimination. Looks like the y values are the easiest to eliminate by multiplying the second equation by negative 2. In doing so, my top equation remains 3x plus 4y equals 35, but my bottom equation would become negative 4x minus 4y equals negative 30. In doing that, my y's will cross out when I add these two equations together, leaving me with negative x equals 5, and therefore x equals negative 5. So there would be my first thing to plug in, negative 5 for x. And now how do I find my y value? Well, I just take that, I go back up here to, let's use the first equation. And I say instead of 3x, I have 3 times negative 5 plus 4y equals 35, which is negative 15 plus 4y equals 35. I add 15 to both sides, and I'm left with, let's go here for space, 4y equals 50. I divide both sides by 4, and I am left with y equals a decimal, right, 12.5, which gives me my second thing that I can plug in. So when I recreate this x plus 2y, it's going to be negative 5 plus 2 times 12.5. 12.5 times 2 is 25, so it becomes negative 5 plus 25, and negative 5 plus 25 is 20. So same answer, the answer is 20, but as you can see, it took me a bit longer to get there the more traditional route. So it's always nice when you can spot, hey, they did this for a reason, x plus 2y, that's kind of odd, that's not normal, that's not typical for system of equations questions. Let's see if I can find some way to hack it, which is exactly what we did here by following a non-traditional path to finding our answer.